Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve took too much space on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of CapCut and you can click. Here in this list of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your information about this app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.